Welcome back, guys. One more video. First of all, I'm going to say sorry because this is a delay video I am uploading here. Okay, I am recording this session purely for the AWS. Okay, first of all, sorry. वीडियो डिले होने के कारण अब बट मैं कंसिस्टेंसी कोशिश करूंगा कि देन आई विल अपलोड अ वीडियो एवरी डे for the every topic and AWS and Reboot as well. Okay, so this is our channel. Those are people new here. You can go and visit, check this our channel. Okay, so now let's start our topic. Today we are discussing what is that, guys. Today we are going to discuss about load balancer, how to implement load balancer in AWS. So load balancer suppose in the AWS. So I'm going to. This is the totally practical session, not a theoretical. Just I'm going to example that to you. This is the what is the purpose of the load balance? Like distribute your load to your EC2 instances. Suppose this is your EC2. This is sorry. This is your EC2. This is one more EC2. Okay. Suppose your load is more. Okay. So when we get more load on this things, suppose in the three EC2 instance, when we in the you can see that in the Flipkart or Amazon they introduce sale in some particular day, and that time load is increasing. So here the load balancer is work distribute the load to the respective your balance, your EC2 instance. Suppose you hit the request, you hit the request, you hit the request, this is LB, Elastic Load Balancer. This is your EC2, this is the EC2 1, EC2, ठीक है? Application, suppose your application here, ठीक है? Application app1, ठीक है? देखो हम मेरे तीन इंस्टांस है, एक इंस्टांस ये है, ठीक, एक इंस्टांस ये है, एक इंस्टांस है, एक मिनट, एक इंस्टांस ये, ठीक है, और एक इंस्टांस ये, ठीक है, ऐप वन। सेम ऐप हम अलग अलग इंस्टांस को डिप्लॉय करेंगे, ठीक है। ऐप टू, ऐप टू, ठीक है। अब ये तो इसी टू इंस्टांस है, तो आपको पता ही होगा कि ये भी इसी टू इंस्टांस है। सपोज ये रिक्वेस्ट आई, अब ये रिक्वेस्ट लोड बैलेंसर क्या करेगा, लोड बैलेंसर चेक which respective is which uh, instance is having less number of load. So that load balancer send request to that particular EC2. Multiple requests are coming. Okay, client hit the request to the. So load balancer is mainly is purpose for the distributing the load to your respective application or like respective your EC2 instances. ठीक है, so let's implement these thing in our AWS account. In AWS account, so let's go mid-wise. If any doubt is coming, practically we can easily understand how to implement the load balancer. Okay, so let's log in. This is my user account. Vivek 2025, right? Uh, Remember this account, got it. Okay. Uh, it is password. Okay. No, I think this one. Well, let's see. If not, okay. Let's just save it. Okay. Now this is our console. So here, अपन क्या करेंगे ना? First, we launch three EC2 instances with some application. Then after that, we implement that load balancer and integrate with this our app. So go and EC2. We need some data. So those people don't know how to launch a EC2 in the AWS. T2 micro is sufficient. T2 micro is sufficient for this example. Okay. Those people that don't know how to launch an instance in AWS, you can also watch this and follow this video. So click on launch button. ठीक है press that server is uh, one ठीक है server one okay and we need Amazon Linux you can choose here. Select free tier. Better approach to do like this. Okay, select this one. AMI selected. Okay, go and T2 micro. Got it. Okay. This otherwise, if you want to another one, you can go, but it's chargeable, but it's free. So this demo is sufficient for that. We can do by using T2 micro. So select a key pair, create a key pair, or like uh, what is that now we need to put ITSP lab dot this is be created. Okay, it should asking to that. So we need to put here in the personal and the public lab, and here we need to save it. Yeah, save this. So in the networking part, right now, I will prepare one more session for that. Okay, one more topic to how to all these things, what is these points. Some other video I will cover. Okay. So now same I want like HTTP request. Okay. Security group, existing security group. If you want, you can go with the select default one. Okay, default one I have selected. This is the configuration of the storage. 8 GB is sufficient. GP3. Okay. General purpose. Okay. Free tire is eligible. Okay. 30 GB. Now, yeah, go into the advanced section. We need these many options. I will cover another session, another video. Okay. In the user data, we put some script. So that script is run. Okay. That this script is running at the time of configuration, at the time of launching that EC2. So, okay, host name. What is the script is doing? Like I am installed hyphen by and install the HTTPD. Okay, and start enable Apache service HTTP started. Check the config HTTP on or not. Instance host name. Like how to balance the how to request are changing. Load balancer is performing the request to the but some different. It will show. Okay. मतलब ये लोड बैलेंसर कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगा सर्वर वन पे सर्वर टू पे सर्वर टू पे लाइक दैट so now if you want to go more like that if you want three instance you can just click on three but just I'm clicking on one instance let's say the app is running or not or okay just click on that let's say no but that's it enough that's running or not let's see by using public IP you can access. Just click on this and here by using public IP you can access all this. Okay, now hit this one. Wait some more time until it's coming at the 2 by 2 the status check. Then you can access. Okay. Now load balancer here, load balancer give one endpoint and you can hit that endpoint. That load balancer is the responsibility to distribute the request. Okay. So wait some time. Wait some time, guys. It's running, and it will take time to install HTTPD server. That's why it's taking time. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now here you can see what it's installing. What status is not coming in that format, but its response is coming. Okay. Now first server is coming with this IP. Now let's see what is 13. 30. Let's see is there any 13 IP? Yeah. It's showing the private IP of this instance. Here you can see here we get the private IP now. So now let's launch one more instance same like that. Okay, launch action action and instance launch more like this. Okay, Like I want to instance with all this configuration. Let's see inside the user data. Who inside the user data is available? Yeah. Now launch this. Okay, wait. So select the key pair and server 2. Put a server 2 name and select the key pair and the personal lab ITSP labs. Yes, okay. Launch. Now let's see. Okay, so now instance. Let's see. Yes, server 2 is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now rename this. Let's check this. Set as the name. You can access by publisher. You will get that here is the different private IP. Okay. So now we created three instances here. You can see we created three instances and put some dummy data for that purpose. We can show that. Okay. So I can show you how to load balancer is working. How to load balancer is working. So now one part is completed. One part is completed. This one, correct? So now app is ready, instance is ready. Now second part is this one. We need to go. Let's first cross check this one. It's working. Yeah. Now we get the 167. Let's check that 167 is the private IP is coming. Now let's go back and let's check this one as well. Okay, got it. Mhm. Yes, now wait some time. It will take time. Okay. Meanwhile, okay, now we get now three instances properly is running. Now I want to implement load balancer. Go into that ELB, ELB, load balancer. Okay, load balancer. Okay, you get it. That here you can search and you will get load balancer. Now here we have EC2 load balancer, create load balancer. Now here you can see create load balancer. We have three to five type of load balancer. Like first one is the pure we have application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer. So now today we are going to use application load balancer. Some other video I will tell you network load balancer how it's work. Got it? Now how it's work. So now first we go to the application load balancer. Application load balancer having more capabilities. Okay. So now ELB basic name here you can put ELB ELB, correct. And network, okay, interface facing or internal facing. We have internet facing, correct. IPv4 I want, right? And network mapping, like that. Okay. Role I don't want to which availability zone I want. Okay. So we have that North Virginia state. Let's see, US is one and East US is CCC. Yeah. C. Choose a C and B like that. We need. Okay, now select a security group. I'm going with the default one. Okay. Here you can see the port. Here you can see target group. Now here you can see the default action. We need a create one target group. Inside the target group, we add these instance. We add these instance. So when we come, so ये step देता ना. अभी load balancer create करता हूँ. Create one target group. जस्ट सिंपल क्रिएट अ टारगेट ग्रुप इंस्टांस के लिए हमें चाहिए तो इंस्टांस दैट्स इट टारगेट ग्रुप नेम ऐप टीजी ठीक है ऐप टीजी में टारगेट ग्रुप 80 पोर्ट ओके to do health check I don't want just create next now here it's important अब यहाँ पे चूज करने बोला किस 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 इंस्टांस को इस टारगेट ग्रुप के साथ रजिस्टर करना चाहते हो रजिस्टर टारगेट ग्रुप नाउ सिलेक्ट 3 1 and include as pending below. कर दिया. ठीक है, create target group is created. Now here just refresh one and select app DG. Correct. Add the listener. I don't want to listener tags. Defining things I don't want. Create. Now here your load balancer is created. Correct. Your load balancer is provisioning state. Let's see. Edit IP pool. I don't want to edit it. Let's see. It will give one endpoint. Correct. DNS. Let's see. It's provisioning when it's completed, activated, working or not. Let's see. Provisioning. It will take time. Let's see. Give me time. Okay, don't worry. Now let's see. Now copy the DNS name. Okay, DNS name. Copy the DNS name. And let's see, put it here. फर्स्ट लोड बैलेंसर को इम्प्लीमेंट करने से पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपका एप्लीकेशन जो भी इंस्टांस में है ना, वो प्रॉपर चल रहा है कि नहीं. ठीक है. अभी नॉट सिक्योर क्योंकि उसकी प्रोविजनिंग क्लियर नहीं है. जब प्रोविजनिंग हो जाएगी तभी लोड बैलेंसर परफॉर्म करेगा. अराउंड let's see. Target group is completed. And healthy. Okay. More option is there. Okay. I will tell you slowly. I will teach you everything. Okay. First, let's see. Coming or not coming. So, provisioning. तब तक के लिए मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए वीडियो स्टॉप करता हूँ ना. तब तक. Now here you can see. Yeah, now here provisioning is completed or not. It doesn't matter, but it's still status is provisioning. Let's see, but we get the response. Okay. Now is before that we are hitting a different instances. Okay. By using IP address. Now we get one endpoint. What is the DNS name? Okay. Yes, I will show you that some other point how to integrate with your domain DNS. For that, we have AWS provide the service called the Route 53. Uh, Before that, okay, we can see that here is the IP are changing. Just we are refreshing that. First is hitting 160 and second is hitting 30 and now 17 like that. Its load balancer is working perfectly, guys. So now this is the steps how to do that. Load balancer implementation now is completed. Okay, we are hitting that is load balancer. We are hitting load balancer endpoints, and load balancer is distribute our request to the different EC2 instances. Okay, correct. Now we have got it. इन दैट व्हाई आई एम पुटिंग दिस वन, क्योंकि अभी मेरे को दिखाना था कि लोड बैलेंसर कम कर काम कैसे करता है. बट हम जो करेंगे ना, जब रियल टाइम में हम यूज करते हैं तो इंस्टांस के अंदर सेम एप्लीकेशन डालते हैं ना. ठीक है. तो इट्स इनफ. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग मी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल मीट सम अदर ब्यूटीफुल टॉपिक related to load balancer and other thing. Okay, thanks.